Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of HemoCue branded Safety Lancet 23G 2.25 mm depth 200 pieces box. This is how the box looks like. You can see the stocks here. You can see this HemoCue Safety Lancet 23G 2.25 mm depth 200 pieces in the box. I'll just go around the box for you. The other side, you can see the other side, the basic way how you can use this lancet is given here. You can see that you're given 4 steps. Okay. And this is the other side. You can see this here. It's manufactured in Japan. You can see this Sweden, and this is the box looks like. It's a CE certified product. This is how the box looks like. Okay. Let's open this box for you. If you open this box, okay, you can see inside there is the instruction for use. Okay, you open this. There is one leaflet that shows the instructions for use. You can see the HemoCue Safety Lancet instruction for use. You can see that, and the procedure of how to use it. You can see that there are given in 8 different steps and instructions for use. Okay, it's given in different languages. Here you go. Here it is. You can see the 200 pieces of lancet inside. Let me take a couple of pieces here. See these lancets. This is what the lancets look like. You can see the 200 pieces in the box. Okay, quickly to summarize here, this is a HemoCue Safety Lancet 23G 2.25 mm depth 200 pieces in a box. On a standard box you have a 200 pieces of lancet, and one instruction for use manual, and this is how the total kit looks like. I'll show you around some of the stocks here. You can see this. This is a quick summary. Thank you.